In this video, guys, I'm going to show you two ways for you to be able to get a t-shirt design prompt for Leonardo AI right here. So guys, the first step I'm going to show you right here is to simply go onto ChatGPT and message ChatGPT to write a t-shirt prompt. Let's simply do this right here. A t-shirt prompt. Let's make use of this. Sorry about this. A t-shirt images prompts right there. So let's simply do this. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us right here. So guys, as you can see, it has been able to create this right here. So all I'm just going to do right here, guys, I'm just going to copy any of this right here. So let's simply go scroll down. Let's simply copy any of this. So I'm going to copy this and go on to Leonardo. So right here, guys, simply create an account and it's going to take you right onto this page. You go onto image generation right here. And once you write here, simply paste in your script. So I'm just going to do this right here and type in a prompt. I paste this right here and go on to generate. And let's see what Leonardo AI is going to generate right here. So this is the first way that you are able to get a t-shirt design prompt right here by simply making use of ChatGPT right here to ask ChatGPT to create a t-shirt design prompt for you, and simply copy that prompt and go on to Leonardo AI, right, and it's going to create that. So this is it right here. So that is it for this video. So that is it for ChatGPT, or you can easily just copy this right here. Let's copy this, go on to this, and let's just paste this. Let's see how this is going to look like. Go on to generate, and let's see what this is going to look like right here. So this is it right here. So you can easily just download this image right, and you can use it to create a t-shirt design. So that is it right here. So the next step I'm going to show you right here is on Leonardo.ai. You go on to the prompt generation right here. And once right here, you want to simply enter a basic prompt idea, and this tool will allow you to come up with a more complex prompt ideas right here. So right here, guys, I'm just going to do this right here and put in a t-shirt design. So that is it, and go on to ideate, and let's see. As you can see, they have been able to generate four different prompts. They have been able to generate four different prompts. So go on to generate, and this will generate this. So I'm just going to go back right here, go on to the prompt generation, generate the next right here, go on to the prompt generation. So you want to simply just generate all of them right here. So let's just make use of this. So I'm just going to go up right. As you can see, this is the first design right here that I've been able to create right here. Now let's simply go on to the next. Let's see. So this is the second design right here for my t-shirt design. Simply go up right here. So let's see, this is still generating right here. As you can see, I've been able to create an awesome designs right here for my t-shirts right here. So this is how you're able to get a t-shirt design prompt. And guys, this is the next right here, a t-shirt design right here. So guys, in order for you to be able to create another t-shirt design prompts right there, you can simply just make use of the prompt generation, or you simply go onto ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a t-shirt design prompt right there for Leonardo AI, and ChatGPT is just going to do just that for you. So guys, simply try out the step I've shown you in this tutorial right here in order for you to be able to generate a Leonardo t-shirt design prompt.